everybody, and welcome, and Happy New Year to everyone. We are back, 2025. Hard to believe. So, we are back. It's time to take a look at the market and then look for something to trade. And it's going to be a short bounce around the market. If you've been watching the market, you've seen it's basically been heading down for the last few weeks, bouncing around a lot, but on a downward looking trend. And because of that, as we always know, when things go down, volatility tends to spike up, and it has. The volatility in the S&P 500 is at 24. If we look at the NASDAQ, again, a similar story. They usually follow each other pretty closely. Same looking graph. In this instance, the volatility is only at 20. And the Russell, which is the only one that looks a little bit different, it's been taking much more of a dive. You can see there, this volatility is the highest at 29. But we put on a trade in IWM just before the end of the year in December last year. So I always like to have trades on in all the indices. So if I'm going to make a trade in an index, out of the remaining two, SPY or the Qs, SPYs or the NASDAQ, which one am I going to do? I'm going to go to the one with the highest volatility. So again, the Qs is at 20, the SPY is at 24, so that's where I'm going to go. So if we go to the trade page, we look here and we see it says 47 days, which means tomorrow will be 46, which is right in our wheelhouse. We like to be as close to 45 days as possible. I've saved us the trouble of bouncing around all the different strikes to figure it out. Here is the stock price at 580. What I'm doing is I'm going $28 up on the call side to 608, $28 down on the put side to 552. I'm buying the call and the put $2 away to make this a $2 wide iron condor. And again, as long as I collect 66 cents or more, this is a valid trade. So market opens tomorrow, assuming everything stays the same. We're going to go $28 up and down, create a $2 wide iron condor, and look to collect 66 cents or more. If we can't, what we're going to do is start to bring the sides in closer, meaning 552, 550 might become 553, 551, or 608, 610 might become 607, 609. We're going to move it in that way closer to the stock price until we get to that at least 66 cents or more credit. So that is our New Year's trade, our first trade in 2025 in the S&P 500 index, which is the SPY ETF. Happy New Year, everybody. Hello, everybody. Cal here with an ancient Chinese proverb, which I'm sure you have all heard before. Give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime. Why am I telling you this? Because most services out there just give you a fish. They tell you, oh, make this trade, I made this much money, I made millions of dollars, do this, do this, do this. That's not my goal. My goal is to teach you to fish for a lifetime. I want to teach you the skill of trading so you can go out and make as much money as you want to on your own. And the best way I've come about to do that, at least for me, is to basically set up an alert system where you can watch me trade in real time. You'll get texts or emails directly to you in real time of the trades I make every week. I do 2 to 3 trades a week, so it's going to tell you everything you need to know about the trade, why I did it, how I did it, what I did as far as specifics. And then you're also going to get the closing alerts when I close them for the maximum profit potential on these trades. Like, how do I close these trades? Why do I close them? To get the best profit potential over time. And I want you to do it without any risk, which is why I've set this up for $1 for the first month. You'll get my option income alerts for the first month for only $1, and you can cancel anytime, so there's no risk on this one. You're risking $1 to see if you can turn that knowledge or learn to fish. You'll use this code, MAKEB1. If you want more, we have the Option Pro Alert, which is the exact same alert, but it also gives you access to every course and webinar I've ever made. It's a 13-course bundle, obviously thousands of dollars in knowledge. Again, you can do this using this code, and this is only $19 for the first month. And again, you can cancel this one at any time. So again, a risk-free attempt to learn and see if it's something you want to do. Here they are right here. If you want to go do it, you can go to sharpertrades.com, go to the products page. These two will pop up. You can type in these codes down here, or you can just go directly to this link right here, and it'll build the code in itself, or the attachment I have at Udemy along with this little video. So again, my goal is to teach you to fish. I can't think of a better way to do that than to trade side by side with me in real time. Hopefully you jump on this opportunity. Hope to see you soon. Take care.